Professional Safe Lock Opening. This 3-day hands-on course was developed for advanced technicians desiring safe opening and penetration skills. This course is designed to teach you the tools and skills to accurately locate and drill into a safe lock to defeat the lock without damaging the integrity of the safe. Students will be instructed on how to set up and use safe opening and drilling equipment such as Lockmaster's Little Black Box, Jump Box, and fixed template drill and lever rigs. You will plan on how to attack a safe with instructor supervision and make several openings over the 3-day period, including fence, shot, bore scope, internal relocker, external relocker, and lever bolt screw. For more information or to enroll, please contact Lockmaster Security Institute at 866-574-8724.